Good morning, students. This section will be a continuation of Prose 1 Eid section 3. Now we are going to see warm up questions. What did Granny say about Amit's parents? Granny told that Amit's father had gone to earn money and his mother had gone to Allah to get lovely gifts for Amit. Now we are going to see section 3. Listen carefully, children. Next to the sweet shops, there were a few hardware stores and jewelry shops. The boys were not interested in anything there, so they walked ahead except Amit. It occurred to Amit that his granny did not have a pair of tongs. Tongs means a tool used to hold hard things. Each time she cooked chapatis, the iron pan burnt her hands. If he bought her a pair of tongs, she would be very pleased. She would never again burn her fingers. It would be a really useful thing to have in the house. So Amit stopped to look at a pile of tongs at the hardware shop and asked the shopkeeper how much for this pair of tongs. The shopkeeper looked at him and replied, "It's not for you. Is it for sale or not? Why should it not be for sale? It will cost you 6 paisa." Hamid's heart sank. "Tell me the correct price," he said. "All right, it will be 5 pies. Take it or leave it." Now listen, children. Amit bargained and bought a pair of tongs from the hardware shop for his grandma, who often burnt her hands while cooking chapatis. The next paragraph, Hamid said, "Will you give it to me for 3?" Then he walked away, afraid the shopkeeper would scream at him. But the shopkeeper did not scream. On the contrary, he called Hamid back and gave him the pair of tongs. Hamid carried it on his shoulder as if it were a gun to show it to his friends. Mohsin laughed and said, "Are you crazy? What will you do with the tongs?" Hamid flung the tongs on the ground and replied, "Try and throw your water carrier on the ground. It will break." Mehmood said, "Are these tongs some kind of toy?" "Why not?" replied Amit. "Place them across your shoulders and it is a gun. Carry them in your hands and it is like the musical instrument carried by singing monks. My tongs are like a tiger amongst toys." Now listen. Amit carried the tongs proudly like a gun. His friends Mohsin and Mehmood made fun of him for buying the tongs. But Amit, proud his tongs were stronger than their toys. He used it as a gun and a musical instrument, making his friends believe that it's a tiger among toys. So his friend Sammy wanted to exchange it for his 8 pies worth tambourine, but Amit did not give his tongs. Next paragraph. Sammy, who had bought a small tambourine, asked, "Will you exchange them for my tambourine? It is worth 8 paisas." But Hamid would not. The pair of tongs won everyone over to its side. By 11, the village was again filled with excitement. All those who had gone to the fair were back at home. Hamid too returned home. As soon as she heard his voice, Granny Amina ran out of the house, picked him up and kissed him. Suddenly, she noticed the tongs in his hand. Where did you find these tongs? I bought them. How much did you pay for them? 3 pieces. You are a stupid child. It is almost noon, and you have not had anything to eat or drink. Could not you find anything better in the fair than this pair of iron tongs? Hamid replied in an injured tone. You burn your fingers on the iron pan, so I bought them. Granny was deeply moved by Hamid's selflessness. She stayed crying for the rich woman. Rich means unhappy. The pair of tongs was a precious means valuable, as sacks of silver. Now listen, children. The villagers returned home by 11. Amina welcomed home Hamid. She was upset that he had got the tongs without eating or drinking anything until then. But when Amina understood that Hamid had got the tongs to save her fingers, she was moved, and now the tongs seemed to be precious for her. Thank you, children.